Welcome back to Hopo Joe Garage. I'll show you how to change the engine air filter in 2008 Volkswagen Rabbit. I should apply to most Mark V Jettas and Rabbits with the 2.5 liter. Remove the two T20 Torx. There's one right here, and one on this side here of the air duct. Use the 5/16 nut driver to remove the hose clamp. And you have to disconnect the mass airflow sensor on this particular car. This one, just kind of pinch it. This little, where a little release tab right here, just push it in. Comes up and off. Screws. This cover is just held on by some push to fit connections. All you do is just lift up in the corner. Comes off. The filter's on the back side of this. Held in by a few Phillips head screws. And once you get it loose, the little tab held in the back slips up, off, revealing the filter. It's the OEM filter made by MAN 07K129620 is the OEM number. You can go on regular like Rock Auto. It's Charlie 43102. Fits nicely down in there. And the install is just a reverse. I've taken it apart, tightened the Phillips head screws. You line up these little rubbers with the two plastic dongs on the valve cover. Pushes down on there. That's it. Nice and simple.